The Devices page is where you manage every physical screen connected to your Zoney account. From this page, you can pair new screens, see which devices are online, assign campaigns, organize devices with tags, take screenshots, download proof of play, and refresh or reboot players without leaving your desk. To get started, go to the top menu and click Devices. At the top of the Devices page, you may see My Devices and Manage Company Devices. If you have sub-companies under your account, they can be managed from the Company Devices area. On the far left, you'll see a menu with installers for each supported platform. The current version number is listed next to each installer. You'll want to download the correct installer if the software is not already preloaded on your device, or if you have not installed it yet. At the top of the page, you can search for a specific device. You can search by device name, device code, model, manufacturer, operating system, OS version, computer hostname, platform, or tag. You can also manage device tags by clicking Manage Device Tags. From here, you can create a new tag, change the tag color, edit an existing tag, or delete a tag. You can also change how your devices are displayed. List view shows device details in rows, while grid view shows each device as a card. Now, let's add a new device. Click Add Device. First, enter a name for the device. Next, enter the unique 6-character device ID shown on your screen. This is the pairing code from the physical device you are connecting. Then, add the device address. As you type, the address field will usually populate suggested locations. Select the correct location when it appears. Once everything is filled out, click Add Device. After the device is added, it will appear on the Devices page. You can view it in Grid View or List View. When you add a device, you'll usually want to assign a campaign to it. To assign a campaign, select the campaign you want from the Campaign drop-down. Once the campaign is assigned, the device will refresh and your screen will update to display the selected campaign. At the top of the Devices page, you'll see your device overview. This shows the total number of devices, how many are online, and how many are offline. If you have multiple devices, those totals will update based on your account. You'll also see a map showing where your devices are located. You can click a device on the map to see which screen is at that location. This is especially helpful if you manage several devices across different locations. You can zoom in, zoom out, and move around the map to view your device locations. Below the map, you'll see your device list. Each device shows its name, location, online status, assigned campaign, tags, and available actions. You can edit the device name by clicking the Edit button next to the name. The status shows whether the device is online and how long it has been online. You can also view or change the campaign assigned to the device. If you want to edit the assigned campaign, click the Edit button next to the campaign. This will open the campaign so you can make changes. You can also add tags to a device. For example, you might add a tag called Demo. Once the tag is saved, you can search for that device using the tag name. If you need to remove a device from your account, use the Delete or Remove Device option. If a campaign is currently playing and you remove it from the device, the screen will return to the device code pairing page. Each device also has several action options. The device code option shows the pairing code for the device. The screenshot option lets you view a snapshot of what is currently playing on the screen. You can also take a new screenshot of what is playing right now, and the updated screenshot will appear on the device page. The Proof of Play option allows you to download playback reports. You can download daily, weekly, or monthly Proof of Play reports. These reports show what played on the device and break it down by time and zone. The Reset Player option clears the player content and re-downloads everything to the device. The Refresh Player option reloads the campaign without re-downloading everything. The software will close and reopen to refresh what is playing. The Reboot Device option restarts the entire physical device. This will close and restart the hardware and any applications currently running. You can also view detailed device information. This is where you can find your device information and review the details connected to that screen. There is also a synced play option. When synced play is enabled, devices playing the same campaign can stay synchronized. This is useful if you have multiple TVs in the same area and want them to play the same content at the same time. You may also see an option for beta updates. If beta updates are enabled, the device can receive beta versions of the player software when updates are available. You can also use bulk actions to manage multiple devices at once. Select the checkboxes next to the devices you want to manage. Once multiple devices are selected, the bulk action options will appear. From here, you can stop players, reset, refresh players, or delete selected devices. Keep in mind that what you can see and do on the Devices page depends on your permissions. Some users may not have access to this page, while others may only be able to change campaigns, edit campaigns, or perform certain device actions. From here, you have everything you need to manage your screens and keep your content running smoothly.